Welcome back. I'll just do a bit of an overview in this video before I pull this apart for the last time, and I must say really appreciate all the extra interest in the channel and the new subscribers. So if you haven't seen the other videos, have a look, but I'll try to answer some questions too, so I might do a response to questions in later videos. But the engine's out of a Suzuki GSX 400, and it's got about 55 horsepower I think, since I put a jet kit in it and a different exhaust, and the gearbox in the back is from a Audi. I think it's an A2 Audi, and it's also in VWs, so it's come up really good. And for those that are wondering, yes, it does mow the lawn. I just loaded the video showing the finished product, so it mows pretty good. Speed, I'm not sure how fast I can get it to go, but I'll test that at some time. And yeah, I've got the tail lights and reverse lights and headlights and all sorts of things, so this project's just gone crazier and crazier as time's gone on. Got a little switch panel. I'll go for a bit of a drive now and just show you a little bit of how it goes. One of the things that I do want to fix is, because these tyres are so wide, even though I can spin them no problem, it just doesn't drift because one spins and one grips. So to make this project even crazier, I've actually got a limited slip diff, a quaif unit that's on order, and I'll put that in when it arrives in a couple of weeks time. So really looking forward to doing some serious drifting in this when it's all done. Stay tuned.